What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about a play, right? Let's talk about a sector that I feel like is going to be insanely popular. I've said this in the past. I've said that, the election coin sector is going to be huge. And I know you can look at them as meme coins or you can combine them and see meme coins with election coins. But the point is that anything that hovers around election information, data, conversations, support, taxes, whatever, you're going to see massive support for, massive popularity for. So I want to get this, completely prepared and get you guys completely prepared with all of the different positions that are there, because I've already talked about plenty of them, but there are going to be a boatload of them, and you want to be a part of some that may be in the beginning stages of things that could pick up to another level. Now, I want you to take everything I say in this video and a lot of my videos, actually all of my videos, with a grain of salt, because I'm not giving out financial advice. I merely just open the door for people and say, this is here, check it out. Right, here's all the information. If you want to go ahead and look at it, feel free to look at it. And if you have anything you want to add to the conversation, feel free to add to that conversation. And that's why the comment section is here. So it'll make you feel amazing if you decide to do that research and you pull the trigger based on what you do there. So feel like I want you guys to take everything with a grain of salt that we are talking about here. But here's another election coin. And this election coin could be big. It could be something that brings you massive gains, but also, you could see support for one side or the other, right? With some of these election coins. So before we get into this, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Trump Inu in this video, I will put all of those links in the description. But basically, if we go into the website, this is what Trump Inu looks like. And again, election coins are going to kind of run the world for a brief moment. Right, you're going to see Trump, you're going to see, Joe Biden coins and whatever other type of coins they end up creating, associated with the election, as well as have some sort of memeability to it or popularity to it. And I know for a fact that there's going to be a lot of popularity. So I'm trying to get people prepared for what could be, even at a lower level or at a mid level or at a high level. I'm trying to get people prepared to see, what that outcome could be. But Trump Inu here, combining basically the election as well as the more memeability part to it. Swap now. There's nothing more bullish than Trump and a dog in 2024, which they're not wrong about the dog portion, but also not wrong about the election side of things. That, there's going to be a lot of popularity, and there's going to be a lot of popularity around, dog coins. And we've seen that already, and we're going to see more and more of that. 1% of tax donated to MAGA. So if you want that to happen, then you could be a part of that. Or if you don't really care, you could say, I just want mainly the gains, right? And that's really all that you do care about. It's not about picking one side or the other. It's about, being a part of something that could essentially gain you quite a bit of returns there. We will make a weekly donation or weekly donations to the Wounded Warrior Project. That's great. And Veterans for Child Rescue nonprofits via trading fees. That's great, right? That's obviously a good thing to be able to see that and have any type of support for any people that do need that support. You would get ETH, you would swap, and then you would make America great again. So you would see that when you buy and sell Trump Inu, a portion goes to donates to MAGA and military veterans. Our previous donations, you can see $1,500, $2,500, $2,000. So could have a decent amount, over 45,000 donated between February and March of 2024. Follow the social media. If you wanted to go to the Twitter, you can see that they have 1,556 followers within it. And you can go and look at some of their posts and see how much engagement they have had, which they've had a decent amount of engagement with a lot of things, especially for only having 1,000 followers right now. You could say that they're probably going to pick up in that level of popularity. So that's fantastic. But I did want to look at the chart as well, go through this information. So currently the price is sitting at 0.00002965. Seeing a total of 100 billion supply, which is out there. And that's great to see that you have all the supply that is released for this position. You're seeing $116,000 worth of volume, and honestly, the volume will come as you do have more exchanges and more popularity and more heads that are turned to say this could be something interesting. And this is the time where honestly millionaires and even billionaires are made. Because if you invested into something like Shiba Inu when it was down at these levels, you would see what you would be able to gain, right? From a $2 million market cap or $1 million market cap all the way up to a $2 billion or $20 billion or $40 billion market cap. It's an insane level of growth, and you can honestly see that here. You could possibly see that here. I'm not saying 100% will, but you could possibly see that. You are seeing a $2.8 million market cap, so still up in the millions. You're seeing 4% volume to market cap ratio. When we look at the markets as available on Uniswap version 2 is the only place right now. Again, you need to see more exchanges in order to see that kind of take place. But again, exchanges will end up, you'll end up seeing a lot of election coins that get listed on exchanges, and you want to be a part of ones that are early stages. I feel like when you look at MAGA Trump, yes, that may be early stages to where a lot of people believe that it's going to get to, but when you look at something that's worth hundreds of millions versus something that's worth $1 million or $2 million or $3 million, it's like, what looks better for an opportunity? You would probably say the thing that has a lesser market cap that could potentially run in that same sector in that same time frame that MAGA Trump can run, that what Joe Biden coin can run, that whatever other project that comes along can run. So it's all about what you believe is going to happen. And I'm not going to say whether it will or whether it wouldn't. I'm just saying what the potential actually is. So know that election coins will be big around that, election time. And as you go here, you're seeing, this kind of countdown for the days, right? Election countdown. Trump Inu will keep running harder as election battles intensify. Will help make America great again by donating to nonprofit charities like Wounded Warriors and Veterans for Child Rescue. With every battle won, Trump Inu will keep rising. 225 days, 4 hours, 35 minutes, and 40 something seconds. So you see how much of an impact this will truly have, in the election time. So again, that's all I can really say about it. I want you guys to go and maybe research a little bit more. There's a lot more that you can go through. I can only go through so much within a video, but my job here is to only open eyes, right? Only open eyeballs to what could possibly be. And then for you guys to maybe, walk through that door if you do see an opportunity for yourself. But hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Trump Inu as well as my links. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.